Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is C-Compsys Cybernet. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install Parrot, okay, on Vmware Workstation on PC. Okay, the same procedure, right? So let's get in. Alright, so my Vmware Workstation is over here. Okay, so I need to create a machine for that. So file, new. If you don't know this, I have videos on them, so you can chance on it. Okay, all right. So you select Linux and then you go in for Ubuntu 64. Okay, because there are various Linux flavors here, so you select Ubuntu 64. So next, so here I'm going to name it Parrot. Okay, so next, so I like my hard disk to be one file, but you need to increase the size to 80. Next, and then finish. Alright, so here I'll have to browse to my Parrot image. Now before that, let me show you how to download the Parrot image. So you go to your browser, right? So let me see. Okay, so here I'll put download, Parrot OS. Alright, so you will see www.parrotsec.org. So you click on that. So it's going to send you to their site, right? Okay. Alright, so when it comes to the Parrot environment, we have the security edition and then the home edition, right? So you can see home edition is designed for daily use, privacy and software development, right? But we are going to install the security edition because if you want to do pen testing, cybersecurity, red team and whatever, this is the one for you to download, right? So we are going to download the security edition. So now you can use torrent, so this will give you the torrent file. Okay, but you click on download to download directly, so click on that. So as you can see, this has started downloading. Okay, so I already have the image, so I'm going to cancel this and then minimize my browser and then go to my image section. So minimize this. Now what I'll do here is I need to upload the image here to CD, DVD, SATA. So click there, use ISO image. So I have to browse to. Alright, so I'm going to load my Parrot ISO. So this is it. So I'll go for open and then I'll go for OK. So I have the image in there, so I'm going to power this very machine here, right? Okay, so as you can see here, you have to select the try and install. Okay, try stroke install. So enter. Alright, so you can see we are in the try environment. Okay, so this is where you need to double click to start your installation. So try environment means you can do other things here, but you cannot save anything in this environment, right? So double click this because we want it on our storage, so we need to install. So my English is American English, so I'll maintain that. If it's not American English and I speak any other language, I can select any of them from this list. Okay, so next. So here I'm in Africa, okay, Ghana precisely, so I'm going to select Accra, that's my capital town. Okay, so the numbers and dates, okay, they are in Akan, okay, which is one of the local dialect in Ghana. So if I don't want the account numbers and I want my numbers to be in English, so you can go in for change and then you can do your changes, right? You can see AKGH, okay, that's account. So if you want English, you go down to EN and then you either look for this is Great Britain English, or you want America English. So then for that, okay, so you can see here EN US, okay, whichever one you want, you can select that. So I'll go for OK. So my numbers will change back to English. So I'll click on next. Now my keyboard layout is American, so I'll leave that as default. So if I have any other keyboard layout, I can select them in the list provided here. So I'll click on next. So would I like to install on the hard drive, okay, take full control of the hard drive. So I'll select this for it to take full control on the hard drive. But if I would like to manually partition my drive, then I'll select what? Manual, then I'll partition that. So let's try that. I'll still come back to using the entire hard drive for my installation. So next. So here, new partition table, I'll click that. So is it going to be MBR or GPT, right? So depending on which one you want, right? Now MBR is the old system of creating disk partition. So GPT is the new one, okay? So any of them will do. So let me just go for MBR. So now I have a free space, so this is it. So when I click on it, and I can go for to create. So here I would like to allocate the size that I want for this very drive. So you can see it's in megabyte. So for you to get the actual size, you need to times whichever number you want by 1024. That's 1024. Okay, that will give you the actual size of your hard drive. Okay, so this, I'm not going to partition this drive, so I'm going to click on cancel. So let me go back. Exactly, so this is what I'm looking for. I'm actually canceling the entire process. Okay, so I'll select this. Okay, so erase the entire disk because I'm installing everything fully on my hard drive, right? So I'll click on next. So here, what is your name? What name? Like my full name. So I'm going to put the hacker one. All right. What name do you want to use to log in? So I'll maintain the hacker one. If I don't want this name, I can change the name. So what is the name of this computer? If I like to change the name or put the hacker one PC. Now my password is very important, so I need to add that up. Okay. So you can see this button here, log in automatically without asking for password. So you don't do that, right? So you leave this check so that it should always ask you for password before logging in. So next. So this is the summary of whatever we have done so far. So we're going forward to install. You will not be able to undo the changes. Yes, I know. I would like to install now. So now, as you can see, my installation has begun. So I'm going to pause the video whilst this installation go ahead. When we get to advantage points, I will come back to the video and then we'll see what's next. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, our installation is in progress, so 77% now. So let's see what is next. All right, so 91%. So let's hang in there. All right, so you can see that installation is done. So we need to restart now. So when you click on done, so this is going to restart, and then we'll log in. All right, so I need to log into my Parrot OS. Okay, so as you can see, our installation is done. So here you need to go into your terminal. Okay, as you can see here. Now, as well, if your terminal display is too small, as you can see, I can go to file. No, not file. Okay, edit. Sorry, edit. Then you go to profile preference. Okay. Let's see, you use the system fix, so you have to uncheck this. So now I'm going to click here, and then here I'm going to increase the size of my terminal. So select and close. So you can see now my display is bigger. So sudo this will allow me to be in the root or the admin interface. So here I need to provide my credential. Okay, so you can see I'm in the root or admin. Now I have to update and upgrade this system. Okay, so I'll type on apt. So you need internet access on your VM, okay, or on your PC. You need internet access to do this. So as you can see here, I have my VM on NAT, so I'll have internet. Okay, so apt update. So as you can see, it's telling me 231 packets. Okay, upgradable. So the next command I will type is apt upgrade. Wrong upgrade. All right, so you can see this is going to install all this for me. Now I already have a Parrot already installed, right? So I'm going to launch that one out, and then we'll try the apt update and upgrade on it, and then we'll see how we can do this. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off and bring that one online. Okay, so power off. Okay, click here. Okay, so power this one up. Since this is done, so I'm going to log in as well with my credential. All right, so since I've logged in, so I'll go to my terminal. Okay, so which I've already customized. So sudo so I'll need to log in. Nice, so I'm in the root, so apt update. Okay, so as you can see, there are some files which the system have just picked up, so I'm going to wait for those files to be ready. Okay, so you can see here I have 47 files ready for upgrade. So apt upgrade. Okay, so this will answer by yes, so this will install. So as you can see, our upgrade have started, and you need internet to do this. Okay, you shouldn't be offline, so it's not going to work, right? So it is going to take some time, so let's see. Alright, so as you can see, our upgrade is almost done, so let's hang in there for this upgrade to finish. Okay, this is 96%, so yeah, get it somewhere. Alright, so our upgrade is finished, so wait for this to load, and then so once again our upgrade is unpacking. Okay, that means it's actually installing them respectively based on whichever application upgrade has been picked. So and this is almost done, and then 99%, and then we are done. Okay, so this upgrade is done. Alright, so as you can see, this is done. Now when you are done with what update and upgrade, you need to restart the system. So you type here reboot, so this is going to restart the Parrot for us, and when that is okay, so while this is done restarting, okay, so we need to log in here. Alright, so what we'll have to do here is we check applications. So this is where you have your tools. You can see I have here Pentesting. Okay, and I click go. I have more tools in here, so most used tools, you can see it's actually listed here for me. Information gathering tools are also line up here. Vulnerability analysis tools are also line up here for me. Web application analysis tool, exploitation tool, maintaining access to most exploit password, wireless sniffing and spoofing. We have forensic, that's digital. We have automotive, that's for car. Okay, if you want to access car. We have reverse engineering and the report tools as well. Okay, so this is just the basic of Parrot. Right now, this is how to install and update and upgrade your Parrot system. Okay, now stay glued to it, subscribe, like the video, share. Okay, I'll be bringing more videos, okay, as we move along. See you guys.